Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be starting a series where I'm going to be using the Jewelry God theme from Theme Ocean to do a step-by-step tutorial series building the essentially a Shopify store with this theme. I've seen this theme before, and I've purchased it before for clients, and I've had virtual assistants work on it for me for my clients and get things done. The theme is priced very, I guess you could say, cheaply. It's $59.99. The only theme that I could really compare this to that's even close of like the concepts of things that you could do is if you guys are familiar with the Turbo theme from Out of the Sandbox, but this theme is literally like almost 10 times the price, excuse me. If you add the product to your cart, it's $400. And then if you check out, it's $450 after tax, I think. Let's just go ahead and see here. This is from a different company. And like I said, so the theme is priced kind of cheaply. So if you're looking to build your first jewelry store, welcome to the series. We're going to have a playlist link in the description box down below. And I'm going to be taking you guys through every single step of building out your first Shopify jewelry store. So welcome, guys. Like I said, we'll get into it. So I already bought the theme. For everybody who's curious, I mean, you guys can go look at their website and all the things they talk about, but it is a Shopify 2.0 theme, and the way to install is after you purchase the theme, we're going to go over here to the online store, and we're going to upload it. I've actually had, like, literally, and my channel's small, so I had, like, 4 or 5 comments before in the past asking me to do a tutorial with this theme and actually show how things work. So this is really my first tutorial ever, so this is not something I planned on doing, but let's go ahead and do it. So basically what you do is you take the zip file, you drag and drop it into Shopify and hit upload. So we're gonna have to sit here and wait a few minutes for it to do its thing and upload and get all that stuff taken care of, but we can get rid of this right here. We'll wait for it to upload, and while it's waiting for it to upload, we might as well have a little conversation. You guys can view the demo. We can actually view the demo in an incognito tab here, and I'll just type in the word ocean because that's what their password is. And as I'm viewing the demo, like I said, we can do all this. We're gonna figure out how to do all this cool stuff here. We're gonna add newsletter section. We're gonna add a banner section. All this really cool stuff. And you know, it's not gonna be too hard. You guys are gonna be able, like I said, to follow everything along with me. And you guys are gonna be able to see everything. This is probably like a countdown timer, and we're going to get all this stuff done. So you guys are going to see how it works. Let's see if it's fully uploaded. All right, there we go. It's fully uploaded. Well, what I like to do is I like to hit publish on the theme and just hit publish right here right away so that it's active. So I can go into the theme right now and preview how it looks. And what you're seeing now is nothing like what it's actually going to be there. So, like I said, I have no products. I have nothing on this store. It's literally brand new. So we have the area for a banner. We have 2 images here. We have an area here. We have some text right here. So it's going to be cool. All right. So the first thing I need to do is I need to find my actual products. Now, you guys are going to see me upload the products by the second episode, but this is what you guys should do in the meantime, right? If you haven't done anything yet on Shopify, this is how you can create products on Shopify. So what you want to do is you want to go over to your product section on Shopify after you upload your Shopify theme. And like I said, we're using the Jewelry God 2.0 Shopify theme from Theme Ocean. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to our products, and we're going to see the screen. It says, first up, what are you selling? And what we could do is we could click find products to sell, or we can click add new products. So if I click find products to sell, this is going to be like a whole drop shipping type of kind of game plan, right? Now, you guys can get into that, but you're going to have to install applications, as you could see with Shopify. I like to upload my products personally. That's what I do, and that's how I set it up. But like I said, it's up to you how you want to set things up. Now, just to give you guys familiarity around the Shopify landscape, the Shopify architecture here, if you're brand new to Shopify and you're not really sure how it works, here you have the title of your product, your description, your media, your pricing, okay, and tracking quantity. Now, tracking quantity is up to you. If you're selling quantity, like if you're selling products and you want to track the actual quantity, track how many you have, like stock count inventory system, you can do that. There are other people who pay for software separately to do that. You don't have to worry about this theme template like at all. You don't have to worry about it at all, literally. I'll show you how it works later into the future as we're working on the theme. And for different themes, this right here is different. Different sections for different things, different templates for different themes, like I said. So it's not all the same for everybody, okay? Make sure that when you finally save your product work, like if you give your product a title, you give it a description, when you save, make sure the product status is active. There have been so many times where I have chosen to add new products, but they weren't active, and I was like going crazy, like what's going on with my store? Why aren't my products showing? It's simply because of that. It has to say active, okay? Or else it's not going to show on your website. Now, for the organization and all this kind of stuff, you don't have to really worry about this too much. Collections we'll get into in the future, and tags we'll get into in just a few minutes here. Basically, these are ways that you can categorize your products. So tags is a great way to explain what the product is, whether it be a color, whether it be a material type, whether it be a size, whatever it is. And then collections is a place where you can add main categories for the products. So for example, if I have, let's say, rings, necklaces, and hats that I'm selling in my store, then one of the collections for the product might be rings or hats, right? And those are the main categories for the product. So here we have options. Now the options is a little bit different because the options creates variation to the product. So for example, if I have a ring, I might want to change the size for 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So what I would do is type in size, and then what I would do is type in 6, size 7, size 8, size 9, right? Size 9, and then size 10, right? That might be an idea. If I want to add another variation, like for example, material, I might type in material, and I might have something like gold, right? Or silver, right? As a material. Or copper, right? So there's different things that I can do in this circumstance, in this scenario. So that's something you want to be aware of. Now, once you get all this stuff uploaded, everything's saved, you're going to have a product list. So let me just give this product a name. Let's go ahead and hit save here. And then what we could do is we can check out our product list here in our products. And then once you have your whole product list, right, you're going to have a bunch of products listed here. You're going to go to your collections. And this is where you're going to create some collections for your business. So let's say I have a collection of, let's say, rings. Then I might want to create rings. I might want to do it automatic or manual. Now for automatic, this is good because you don't have to sit there and manually click on certain buttons for your products. But you can go over here to what the product tab is. If you guys remember, when I told you guys to add certain tags to your products, you can filter based on tag. You can filter based on title. So for example, if all the rings on my store have the word ring at the end of it, right? I can search for a product title contains ring, and then it will add any product that has the word ring in it, if that makes sense, right? So that's something you want to keep in mind as well. And that kind of sets up the whole way to set up collections in your products, all right? So this is the first lesson. We're literally just beginning. I'm assuming that everybody watching this have never had an experience before with Shopify. Maybe you guys have built 50 stores, 100, or even 1,000 stores. But at the end of the day, what we're doing here is we're going to be starting from scratch with the Shopify store, building out the Jewelry God 2.0 Shopify theme, and making it really just a really good store for an e-commerce, somebody who's on a budget, who's looking for a good theme, but really looking to present their store in a positive light. All right, so I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.